Coffee and Card Round 21, Week 3. As you can see, I'm not actually live today. This is a pre-record. And we're using the Let's Set Sail bundle and carrying on with these lovely makes. Also using some of the New Horizons papers today, which have been very, very popular and are still available, might I add. So this is the card we're going to be doing. It's like a sort of half fold one. I don't even really know if there's a name for it. And in your pack, you need that other sheet of New Horizons papers that you had. Yeah. There's a card base. There's a piece of white card for stamping on. And then there's this die cut, which is from the new dies, from the He's the Man suite. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to cut our card down. Oh, and I need to measure this just to double check my measurements. Yeah. So I've put you a standard card in, but we're gonna cut it down so that it's this measurement here is 5.5. So the whole measurement, yeah, this is 10.5. So we basically want to pop it in the trimmer and just take 5 centimetres off so that we're left with 5.5 attached to the card. So we're taking 5 centimetres off. And then we're left with 5.5. Okay, so this is some extra that you can then use for something else. Right, regarding the paper, the first thing we're going to do, and I'm going to take it from the top. I'm just going to measure it actually. I think I know, yeah. I'm going to take it off the top. We're going to turn it round the other way and we're going to cut it down. So I'm not taking any from the C. We're going to take it from the top and cut it to 14.3. Okay, and you will have this little scrap left over, and now it's the right height. What I want you to do is flip it over upside down and then cut it to 10. All right, so it needs to be 10, and then that's for your back, the back piece. All right, so it's 10 by 14.3. That should fit nicely on the back there. And then you've got this little strip left here, and it's just wide enough, but you need to cut it down to 5. All right, so I'm going to cut from the left hand side and cut it down to 5. I might actually take a tiny bit slither off, so it's 4.9 and a sniff. Anyway, we'll see how that looks. All right, so we can now adhere this to the back. Now sometimes, because things can be out by a mill, different, that's all right actually, that's fine in the background. I don't need to trim any card off. So I'm going to glue that down, pick the wrong glue up. I think I'm running out of glue and I'm wondering who's responsible. And then that is going to go there. I just want to check that it looks all right. I'm not going to actually stick it down yet, because what I am going to do is I'm going to stamp this shadow here on it first. So I need to grab a block and grab the little triangle. I'm sorry, there's someone having work done outside, a couple of doors up. It's a little bit loud. So with the Misty Moonlight, I'm going to stamp this in the middle, but about 1 centimetre up from the bottom, or just short of 1 centimetre. I've glued that down like that. That's our little shadow. I'm going to keep that ink pad open actually. Oh gosh, that is loud. And I'm going to grab the sentiment. I love this, hope it's your best day ever. And I'm going to stamp that on here. Oh, I've got some ink on it. Never mind. Must have some ink on my hands. Yeah, I've got a little bit of inky, but never mind, never mind. Put that to one side. And then finally, I'm going to stamp my boat here. Oops, that's not inked up properly, Julie. That's not the best, but never mind. Oh man. And then I'm actually going to stamp the mast in Misty Moonlight. Not crumb cake on this one. And that's probably the best one I've ever done. Okay. Oh, I've got glue everywhere. Not glue. Let's see if some of this sanitizer I've got aside of me will get it off. It has a little bit. Okie dokie. So I'll grab my punch and punch that out. All right, so we can now actually glue this on. And I'm going to stamp some of the birds as well while I've got my ink pad open. So I'm going to do some here, move them along, do those like that. It's just like they're sort of coming through the card there. And then you can of course write on the back of the card. That's going to stick down there like that. And then I'm going to take my sails add foam pads to the back of them. You may need to trim a little bit off. You can't quite fit 2 full-size foam pads on these. So that's going to go there like that. And then that's going to pop on there. So it just does hang over a little bit. That's going to go there like that. And there we have our week 3 card. You can write on the back there, hope you like that one. It's very short and sweet today. 10-minute card, 10 minutes. I will be back live next week, so thank you for tuning in. Yeah, hope you like that, and I look forward to making another card. We're going to do a baby card next week. You can use it for a baby card if you want to. So I hope you can join me then. Thank you for watching. Bye.